This is flowers are the language of love, but let's be honest, traditional bouquet have a best date that usually end in trash cans. What if you could offer your customers a memory that literally never wilts? Welcome back creators. Today we aren't just looking at the pretty pictures, we are diving into the blooming wall of everlasting florals. Whether you are looking to stock your Etsy shop for the wedding season or building a signature collection on Shopify, these designs are proven sprawl stoppers. Stick with me until the end because I'm sharing the secret to bundling these beauties to triple your average order value. First up, let's talk about the single stem movement. On platforms like Etsy, the under $20 gift category is goldmine. Simple tulips and daisy in soft muted tones are incredibly popular right now, especially for teachers, gifts, or just because surprises. The trick here is the packaging. Notice how these designs use craft paper and twine. It gives that fresh from the farmer's market vibe if you are selling on Shopify. Consider offering these as a build your own boutique features. It's interactive and it keeps customers engaged with your brand. Now let's level up. If you want the command premium price, think about $80 and $150 per arrangement. You need to look at the texture and variety. Mixing different species like the blood sunflower with delicate structures of lilies creates a visual weight that looks expensive. Bridal boutiques are a massive opportunities. Brides in 2026 are looking for sustainable keepsakes options. When photographing these for your shop, use natural lighting and show them in a home setting. You aren't just selling yarn, you are selling a centerpiece for someone's dining table.